real. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the late night show. Yeah, all right, so they welcome everybody on top of the late night show tonight. How are they? How everybody take be on top of the level? How are they take go? We hope every make too much brain. Yeah. All right, your boy Ogbolo on top of the whole thing, and we don't start the whole show for today. Tonight we get some wickedest comedians in the building. All of them go follow me, choke mouths for different things as per their own career, and at the same time for one or two things that they share inside the country. All right, I still get your favorite guy on the wheels of steel, and he go by the name DJ Easy Beat. All right, Easy Beat. Get all mix you mix just now.
That's it supposed to be.
That's just supposed to be.
When you did for the spread.
Yeah, the spread.
Do something.
You understand? What did they call that thing? They take the looping.
Which one?
You get how they take the bounce song over
Okay,
and
no. They roll the beats.
They roll the beats.
Roll them, yes.
Oh, so they roll the beats.
Yes,
Rolling the beat. Okay, but you DJs there, they least fear for one thing on our fingers. I feel it's not fingers.
We good with fingers.
Very, yeah.
Just
they do things. They threaten some kind of people.
No.
You! He's like, oh my God, he's threatening me. All right, so we get first one of my craziest friends in the building, comedian of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, Koloman, go follow us inside the studio today. At the same time, Ekene Smith go there in the building too. Then my guy, my G, my brother from Tete way back, and Mecca Smith go there inside the building too. So ladies and gentlemen, when I sit back, the show go make too much brain today because the full squad like this, everybody know they okay. All right, so Easy Beats, just lace us that bedu, and by the time we come back, we enter Coco of the day. When I don't go anywhere, the show don't start now. All right.